Welcome to Eureka Review. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at Claw Agent AI. But before we dive in, watch this review until the very end. That can change your fortune. Every day feels like a race against time. Clients expect faster results. Marketing never stops. Content needs to be created, and the list of tasks just keeps growing. Hiring a team is expensive. Doing it all yourself is exhausting. Something has to change. The Claw Agent AI Complete Bundle. Here, you'll find unlimited AI agents, advanced workflows, done-for-you business assets, powerful automation tools, and agency-focused features, all combined into one complete package, at a special bundle price. You can deploy AI employees to handle leads, create landing pages, write emails, generate content, manage outreach, and even support client projects. No complicated setup. No coding, just specialized AI agents working together to help you deliver services more efficiently. One of the biggest strengths of Claw Agent AI is the variety of AI agents it offers. With more than 250 ready-to-deploy agents, spread across 26 different categories, you can build specialized workflows for almost every business function. Whether it's marketing, creative work, operations, finance, customer management, or business automation, there's an AI agent designed for the job. Together, these agents provide the capabilities needed to support and run a modern AI-powered agency from a single platform. And here's where Claw Agent AI becomes even more flexible. You're not limited to the built-in AI agents. If your business needs something unique, you can create your own custom AI skills in just a few minutes, without writing a single line of code. You can also import existing skills, customize them, rename them, and make them completely your own, giving your agency the freedom to adapt to any client or project. The best part, Claw Agent AI keeps everything simple. Just choose the AI agents you need, give them a command, and let them do the work. No steep learning curve, no endless prompting, and no jumping between multiple tools. Just faster execution, from one easy-to-use platform. Step 1. Choose your AI agent. Simply select the agent that matches your task, whether it's marketing, client work, research, or automation. No coding, no technical setup, just pick, and you're ready to go. Next, tell your AI agent exactly what you need. Simply send one command, and your agent gets to work, creating content, building workflows, finding leads, or preparing client assets, without complicated prompts or delays. And finally, use the completed work to grow your business or deliver it to clients. From landing pages and email campaigns, to reports and automation, your AI agents handle the execution, while you focus on growing your agency. Now we will look at some of the use cases that Claw Agent AI can automate. In this example, it researches the top 10 trending Amazon products, compares them, and creates a professional, high-converting review website complete with an optimized sales page, all integrated with your Amazon affiliate links, helping you save time and monetize faster. Here's another powerful use case. Claw Agent AI can research profitable ebook ideas in your chosen niche, generate a complete 30-page ebook with a professionally designed cover, and create a high-converting sales page to promote it. It can also help prepare your product for launch by integrating payment links and organizing everything for online publishing, giving you a streamlined way to create, market, and sell digital products without juggling multiple tools or complicated workflows. Here's another practical use case for affiliate marketers. Claw Agent AI can identify the top-performing ClickBank products based on gravity, build a professional comparison review website with your affiliate links, persuasive reviews, comparison tables, and strong call-to-action buttons. It can then generate a complete 7-day email sequence and schedule one email every 24 hours, helping you automate both content creation and follow-up marketing from a single workflow. One of the biggest advantages of choosing the complete Claw Agent AI bundle is that everything works together from day one. Instead of buying upgrades separately, you get a complete AI workforce capable of finding leads, writing emails, building pages, creating content, automating follow-ups, preparing client reports, and delivering client-ready projects. It's a complete business system, designed to help agencies work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Now, this is where the real value becomes impossible to ignore. Pause for a second, and look at everything packed into this bundle. You're not just buying another AI tool, you're getting a complete AI business system. From ready-made AI employees, to automation, done-for-you assets, agency tools, white label rights, and even reseller rights, it's all included. Instead of paying for multiple platforms and endless upgrades, you get everything you need to launch, run, and scale an AI-powered business from one place. If you're serious about building an agency or growing a major business, this bundle gives you the fastest path to get there. Just look at the value packed into this bundle. Buying every edition separately would cost you thousands of dollars, but today, you get the complete AI business ecosystem for a fraction of that price. Everything you need to launch an agency, automate operations, serve clients, and scale faster is already included. If you're serious about building an AI-powered business, this isn't just an investment, it's your shortcut to getting there. If Claw Agent AI looks like the right fit for your business, don't miss what's waiting below. Click the first link in the description to explore the complete bundle, see everything that's included, and check the latest pricing. When you purchase through our link, you'll also unlock additional exclusive bonuses that aren't available elsewhere. So take a look, compare the value for yourself, and if you're ready to build, automate, and scale your business with AI, click the link below and get started today.